This is the new Galaxy Z Flip 5 that you're seeing, and as you can see, maybe it's a little bit lighter than before. It has a very different new hinge format than the earlier model, porting a number of serious hardware changes. The Z Flip 5 has become more functional and importantly more usable. This is because Samsung has used its learnings over the past 5 years to enhance the most crucial part of any foldable phone, the hinge. The sleek teardrop design inside the flex hinge now lets Samsung reduce the thickness of its foldables by at least 2 mm. The new Galaxy Flip 5 is all about portability and effectiveness just because of this. Even in its closed state, the device can do everything you expect from it when open. And this is thanks to the 3.4-inch Super AMOLED display in the flex window. Check your calendar, flash your boarding pass at the airport security, or snap a selfie, all with this new flex window. Next, let's talk about the Galaxy Z Fold 5. This device, unlike the Flip 5, celebrates the power of having more screen real estate. With its new flex hinge technology, the Fold 5 is also thinner and lighter. Yet, it manages a 7.6-inch AMOLED display, which is maybe the largest size you can hold as a smartphone. While you can better use the Fold 5 now thanks to a new taskbar at the bottom, the UI also supports features like drag and drop using 2 fingers. The S9 series tablets meanwhile demonstrate Samsung's clear intention to dominate the professional Android space. This sector is heating up now because of increased interest from brands like OnePlus and Xiaomi. Available in 3 sizes from 11 to 14.6 inches, the S9 series comes with an IP68 rating. What does that mean? You can actually use the tablet underwater with the S Pen. Samsung executives demonstrated this by scribbling on a 14-inch S9 tablet submerged in an aquarium. The possibilities are endless. Finally, let's talk about the Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. With these watches, Samsung's focus is clearly on software enhancements. The watches now offer personalized suggestions and coaching from sleep improvement to fitness level increases. There are other health insights too, from arterial fibrillation alerts to skin temperature and fall detection. We will come back with a full review soon